Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about delete an elements from an array. Suppose if I enter the number 5 or then I enter 5 elements 11, 12, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to delete 4 uh, elements into the array. So I enter the elements to delete. So I enter 4. So the output come 11, 12, 5 and 6. Suppose if I enter the elements 11, 12, 4, 5 and 6. So I'm going to enter the elements to delete. So if I enter 13, so the output come 13 is not present in the array. Or suppose if I enter the number at your 6 and 6 elements I enter, and here enter the elements to delete. So I enter 6. So 6 is 2 times. So I enter here or 6 when 6 is found it first time, so that all elements delete from the array. So the output come 11, 12, 4, 5 and this 6 remove, and this present into the array. So the output come this one. So let's see. Next, I'm going to discuss about the try and method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main function. Hereafter that coincide. So right here I've taken integer variable a double r. The size I've given 25. So maximum you can enter 25 elements into the array. So if you want more, then increase the size. So first variable a double r. So right here the size 25. And here after next variable is I and LOC. Next is I and LOC. ST and flag. So right here flag initialized to 0. Now hereafter control comes to this point, count. So whatever in double quote that display into the output screen, enter the number, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n. So I'm going to enter n value 5. Now hereafter see out again. So whatever in double quote that display into the output screen into the elements, and hereafter control comes to for loop. So right here I value start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than n value 5, 0 less than 5 condition is true. So same. So let's enter a double r 0 position new element. So this is a double r. So this is a 0 location. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 0 position I'm going to enter new element. So I'm going to enter 4. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 0 to 1. Check the condition 1 less than 5 condition is true. So a double r 1 position let's enter element. So I'm going to enter 9. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 5 condition is true. So 8 over 2 position let's enter new element. So I'm going to enter 6. Hereafter I increase. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 5 condition is 2. So 8 over 3 position let's enter element. So I'm going to enter 11. I gonna increase. So I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 5 condition is 2. So 8 over 4 position let's enter element. So I'm going to enter 7. Hereafter I is increased, so I is 5 now. Check the condition 5 less than 5 condition is not true, so control comes to this point. So enter cout. So enter in double quote enter elements to delete. So this are displayed to the output screen. Hereafter control comes to the new line, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by st. So I'm going to enter st value. So I'm going to delete 6. So giving st value 6. And hereafter control comes to for loop. I value start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than 5 condition is true, so that coincide. So if 8 over 0 position double equal to st. So 0 position is 4 and st value is 6. So 4 double equal to 6 condition is not true, that not coincide. Hereafter that go up and increase the value of I. So I become 0 to 1. Check the condition 1 less than 5 condition is true. So 8 over 1 position double equal to st. So 1 position is 9, st value is 6. So not equal, not coincide. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 6 condition is true. So 8 over 2 position double equal to st. So 2 position is 6, st value is 6. Both are equal. So that coincide. At a flag value is now 1. And I value go to LOC. So I value is 2, 2 go to LOC. And break statement comes, so that terminate the loop and control comes to this point. So at a if flag double equal to 1, so flag value is 1, so that coincide. So for log value go to I, so log value is 2, 2 go to I, and check the condition 2 less than n minus 1, so 5 minus 1 this value is 4. So 2 less than 4 condition is true, so that coincide. So at here a double R 2 plus 1. So 3 position value go to a double R 2. So 3 position is 11. So 11 move to a double R of 2. So 3 position is 11. So that move to a double R of 2. And hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 2 to 3. Check the condition 3 less than 4 condition is true. So a double R 3 plus 1. 4 position value move to a double R 3. So 4 position is 7. 7 move to a double R 3. Now hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 4 condition is not true, that not coincide. So at your control comes to this point. So new array elements are, so 0 location, 4, 1 person, 9, and at your 3 person 11 value move to 8 or 2. So at your 11 come and on next 7 and this null character. So this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So here have to see out the new array elements so that display into the output screen, and here after control comes to this point. So I start from 0, check the condition 0 less than n minus 1, n minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. So 0 less than 4 condition is true. So see out 8 or 0% that display the elements. So for display hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 1. Check the condition 1 less than 4 condition is true, so that coincides. So 8 over 1%, 9, so 9 display. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 4 condition is true, so 8 over 2% value is 11, so that display. So at I gonna increase, so I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 4 condition is true, so 8 over 3% 7, so 7 display. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 4. Check the condition 4 less than 4 condition is not true, so that not going. So final output we have 4, 9, 11, 7. So I have to delete 6, so 6 remove from the array. So this is the output I got 4, 9, 11, 7. Suppose add here 4, 9, 6, 11 and 7. So I'm going to no enter the number at your st value 11. Sorry, 11 not 12. So 12 not present into the array. So the output must become elements 12 is not found in the array. So for this, let's see what how's this code work. So flag firstly that initialize to 0. So flag is 0, and hereafter this all process come. So I enter elements to delete. So I enter 12. So I will start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than 5 condition is true. So that coincide 8 over 0 position equal to st. So 0 position is 12 I enter, and sorry, 8 over 0 position is 4 and st value is 12. So 4 equal to or 12 not true, that not coincide. I gonna increase, so I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 5 condition is 2. So 8 over 1 position equal to st. So 1 position is 9, st value is 12. So not equal, I gonna increase. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 5 condition is 2. So 8 over 2 position equal to st. So 2 position is 6, 6 double equal to 12. Not true, not coincide. I gonna increase. So I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 5 condition is not true. So sorry, I value is 3, 3 less than 4, sorry, 3 less than 5, condition is true, so that coincides. So 8 over 3 position double equal to st. So 3 position is 11 and st value is 12. So both are not equal, not coincide. I gonna increase, so I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 5, condition is true. So 8 over 4 position is 7 and st value is 12. So both are not equal, not coincide. Hereafter, I is increased by 1, so I is 5 now. Check the condition 5 less than 5, condition is not true, so not coincide. Hereafter flag double equal to 1. So flag value is 0, 0 double equal to 1. Not true. So that go to else part. So at your cout elements or 12 is not found in the array. Suppose at in array I'm going to enter duplicate elements. So I'm going to enter 0 position 6. So this is a 6. So at I'm going to enter st value 6. So control comes to this point for I start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than 5, condition is true. So go inside 8 over 0 position double equal to st. So 0 position is 6 and st value is 6, both are equal. So flag become 1. Hereafter I value go to LOC. So I value is now 0 0 go to LOC and break statement comes. So that terminate the loop, control comes to there. So if flag equal to 1, so flag is 1, condition is true. So at that coincide log value go to I. So I become 0. Now hereafter check the condition 0 n minus 1. So 0 n minus 1 or 4. So 0 less than 4, condition is true. So 8 over 0 plus 1. So 1 position value go to 8 over 0. So 9 move to 8 over out of 0. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 1 now. So that coincides. So 1 plus 1. 2 position move to 8 over out of 1. So 2 position value is 6. 6 move to 8 over out of 1. So at this position move 9. So at or 6. I gonna increase. So I is now 2. So at 2 plus 1 or 3. 3 position move to 8 over 2. So 3 position is 11. So 11 move to 8 over out of 2. So at 11 move. And hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 3 now. So at check the condition 3 less than 4, condition is true. So 8 over 3 plus 1. So 4 position value is 7. 7 more to 8 over out of 3. And hereafter I is 4. Check the condition 4 less than 4, condition is not true. So that not coincide. So at a new array elements are so 0 location 9 move and 1 or that 6 move and 2 location or 11 move 3 location 7 move and at a 4 location null character. So my intention is to say my intention is to display my intention is to show you that if you enter duplicate elements into the array, so if elements find first, then that elements remove. So after 6 is 2 times, so first 5 times 6 is 0 index, so that index element 6 remove and not 2. So hereafter that display the new array elements are I value start from 0, so that display 9, 6, 11, 7. And hereafter that output main method. So this is the dry method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.